Hi, it's Jan Howell and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been saving your felted wool sweater scraps. There are so many wonderful projects that you can make with these upcycled sweater scraps, and here is another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Valentine hearts from upcycled sweaters. They really are fast and simple to make. They make great decorations or a fun little Valentine gift. Let's get started. You can make them, of course, from fabric, knit fabric, but an upcycled sweater really does add some cute charm to the project. You can make a solid heart, or you can do a pieced heart like this. I have the free pattern available. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's just go over how to cut out, make this pieced heart first. Decide which colors you want to be where on the heart. This is the bottom part of the heart. First thing you'll do is sew these two bottom of the heart pieces right sides together, match up that notch, and sew right down there. Open that up, place the right sides together of the top of the heart, and sew across there. Take the back piece, place right sides together, pin it in place, and then we're going to sew all the way around, but we need to leave a space for stuffing it. So I'm going to leave the last 2 inches of the bottom of this side of the heart open. When you get to the notch of the heart, lead the needle down, lift up your presser foot, pivot it around. And I'm going to backstitch right here. Take your scissors and just make a little clip right there, and make sure you're not going in to the seam. Make little notches. That just helps the curves smooth out when you turn it right side out. Ready to stuff. Take some fiberfill stuffing and just stuff it in firmly. You could put some dried lavender in here to make a sachet, a nice smelling sachet, and I'll show you how to sew in a loop so that you can hang it from a doorknob or something. Take your needle and double thread it, knot the end. And you're just going to use a ladder stitch or a whip stitch to close that opening. Folding the seam allowance inside. Get to the end, just make a little stitch. Leave a loop, wrap the needle around a couple times that loop, and gently pull it to create a knot. Stick the needle in right where the thread comes out and out somewhere. And clip your thread. Now let's go over how to insert a little tie at the top of the heart. Now to apply a ribbon or jute at the top so that you can hang the heart, I've cut out 2 hearts. I like to make a knot. That way it keeps the ribbon or the jute really tight and next to each other. I'm going to place that right at the notch with the knot outside. Right sides together. Make sure that's right in the notch and clip it in place. And so that we're not sewing this into the seam, I'm going to pull it over where I'm going to leave that opening. And we'll sew around just like we did before. So I've sewn around. Now I'm going to turn the right side facing out. Stitch it closed like we did before, and you have your nice hanging heart. Pretty simple and fun, cute gifts for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Thanks again for joining me. Get in your bin of upcycled sweaters or scraps of fabric and make hearts. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and click on that bell in the notifications to make sure that you're notified when I put new videos up. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.